just working through those trigger points that are just on the underside of the trap. Good. All right, so that relaxed. So you're feeling it like right through here, right?
Oh, no, then now I loosen up.
It feels better?
Yes. Whatever you did here, now I don't feel no more tensions here, and the pain here went away. This is the part where it's very sore.
Okay, on that left upper trap.
Right here is going down a bit.
Okay.
And it spreads this way as well.
Okay.
Where the pain walks through this area and a bit, but I have the strength, and now I can do this.
Okay,
I
excellent.
could not do it before, and this movement is much better. But when I get up in the morning, it's still here.
Okay.
And when I watch TV, so I don't pull more than 1 hour sitting down.
Okay.
But yesterday I had to take something. For 3 days I didn't take anything.
Okay.
But today, as soon as I go out and start moving, I feel better. I'm improving, but it's still there.
Okay. All right. Well,
Awesome.
let's go face down. See what we can find here. You okay? One second. And just relax. Drop that shoulder for me. Let it all go. Relax. Drop that shoulder. Nice. Very good. Drop that shoulder, relax, let it go. Good. And that right side's a lot stiffer.
Yes, do you see that?
Take a deep breath in, all the way up. Good. Deep breath in, all the way up. Good. Last one. Good. So your right leg's a little shorter than your left. Your quads are looking good. You can lay on your side facing me over here. Just let it go for me, relax, let it go. Good, very nice. And this way. Excellent. Come on up.
I already feel better.
Yeah. Still a little tight in that right trap area. So let's go ahead, bend all the way to the right, and all the way to the left. All the way to the right, all the way to the left. Good. This time, you're just going to start to bend forward a little bit. You can just bend it and check. Good. Okay. All the way to the left, now bend to the right. This is just that first rib, whenever we start breathing with our traps, it gets really tight.
I stopped to do aerobic.
Yeah?
Yeah, he told me to stop, so I stopped.
Yeah, if you're still having pain, what level does the pain get up to out of 10?
7.
7. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be doing any exercise
No,
yet.
no, I don't think I could.
Shrug your shoulder up and bring it back. You're going to bring it up, back, just your shoulder. Up, back, down, forward. Kind of rolling. There we go, nice. Perfect, that's good.
And then the pain goes straight here sometimes. And here.
That whole shoulder
Yeah.
girdle.
The shoulder.
Yeah. There's definitely a little like tendinosis here. Kind of feels like a little guitar string. So, how do you feel about grass then today?
I loved it.
Okay.
You did it the last time. The following day I was in pain, but then I improved.
Okay. How long did it feel better for?
The same day, for a few hours.
Okay.
And then, the pain came back a little bit. I felt bruised a lot.
Yeah.
So I got worse,
Uh-huh.
and then I got better.
Okay. And then how long did that last?
The worse or the better?
The better. Like how long did it take to come back?
Nothing the following day,
Okay.
but for 2 days I didn't take any painkillers. But then yesterday I had to. So
Okay.
it's like there was some improvement, some.
Yeah, that's kind of typical when it's like this. I mean, usually holds for like a day or two and then creeps back until we get that inflammation down.
Yeah.
Have you tried icing it?
No, I didn't. But I didn't do the heat either.
Okay, well, I appreciate that. All right, let's pull this shoulder back into retraction and forward to protraction. Retract, protract. Nice, good. All right. Yeah, so today it's a little bit more in the upper back area and not quite as much in the neck. So another option might be cupping. We could also try that as well. Have we done that with you before?
I don't think so.
No? Chin to chest. Back into extension. Good. Let me just check that again. Feels pretty good. Okay, and then to the left, to the right. Keep going to the right. Good, push a little further. Excellent, very nice.
This side it was more difficult.
The right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's where the pain is on the left, but here, when you treat me, it's more or less.
Yeah, actually this shoulder is worse.
It's worse.
The right is worse than the left.
Yeah, it's the one that had problem before.
Yeah. It's just a little bit forward here with that humeral head, so I'm just gonna pull that back. Just relax your shoulder, let it go. Good. Nice. Alright. That's good. Yeah, it's that pec too. Really on both sides. So let me adjust those ribs for you. Can you lay on your back face up? Just laying on your back face up. That way we can knock a couple of these ribs back in place. It's good. You just have to do it at the right time and do it in the right way and not overload yourself. What was it that you were doing? Aerobics. Okay. At home? I bet your husband wasn't doing aerobics, was he? He was?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I just can't imagine him
He's
doing
funny.
that.
He's funny. He's funny.
I think I'd like to see that.
I show it to my friends all the time through meeting. He's hilarious.
That's too funny. I love it. Do me a favor. Good.
I stopped doing it because if you don't use your arms, then it's not going to.
Can you bring this arm up? Yeah, and down. Kind of keep the arm straight and just kind of retract it. Yep.
You see an outfit thing behind you. Oh, a big spasm right here.
On the left.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Better work on it.
Ow, ow, ow. It was right here. Painful. Okay. No. It doesn't want to go down. Look, this is where it stops.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the pec's really tight and probably that shoulder muscle, the subscapularis deep in the shoulder blades. I'm going to check that in a
Yes.
second. Have we worked on that one?
No.
I know you're excited. So just trying to get these ribs moving a little bit better. I'm going to release that pec as well. Okay, good. So let's see how tight your subscapularis is. We're going to bend this elbow. Let this arm.
Oh.
Ooh.
Right behind here.
Okay, so that is subscapularis. So your arm should actually rotate back.
I told you this is what I could not do. This is what I can do. I improved, but do you see what's...
Let's get the weight. Let's do a little stretching here. This is a huge problem though for a lot of people, just, being on your phone, laptop, anything with your arm out in front of you. Anything where you're rotating down into that internal rotation. So phones, computers, all that. So the key is this is a good stretch to do at home. This is a 2-pound weight, so we'll see if this is too much for you. It should be okay. You always want to have your shoulders supported. Do me a favor, actually scoop down so that you're on this piece, like on your shoulders. That's great. So now your shoulder's supported. I'm going to even use my leg to give you a little extra support there. So you want to just let that edge of the elbow joint will be able to rotate back. You should be feeling a nice stretch. Do you feel it?
Yep.
Yeah, just let it hang back. You want it to just slowly rotate back towards the ground. You don't need to move it. You just let it stretch. There we go. Yep. So this is a muscle that causes a lot of problems. It mimics a disc herniation. So people get an intense achy pain right on the back of their wrist. So if you ever feel that, it could be your shoulder. People think it's carpal tunnel.
I never had that.
No?
No.
Excellent.
But the only pain I had is behind. I noticed I cannot do the movement.
Yeah. Yeah, the shoulder's not moving the way it should. But it's slowly improving. This is something we don't rush. Just let it slowly work its way back. In just 1 minute's plenty. And then, max 2 minutes. We slowly rotate it back up. And let's do the other side because we seem to be having issues on both sides. And that way you can also see, you can compare.
Would I feel? Would I get better?
What's up?
Would I get better?
Oh, yeah. I mean, You can see the difference between this shoulder and that one already.
Yes, and you know where this is pulling? Here.
So that's a little more pack-like.
Yes, and this side was behind.
Yeah, so it's more that shoulder.
So I have different issues.
It's fun, isn't it?
A lot.
And we'll just be patient with this and give it a minute to stretch back.
But this is not as painful. The other side is pain. I feel the stretch, but it's not painful.
Okay, excellent. All right, so come on up.
So the only impediment is this side, or when I try to reach for something, so the pain would be right here.
Right there. But you do feel like the pain levels drop down a little bit?
Oh, yes, I feel wonderful. I realize that I do have something when I go and do certain movements.
Yeah. I'm going to teach you another stretch that you can do for the shoulder, and let's see if we can make some changes here. All right, so that first one that I showed you, you don't have to do it on the right side. You really were flexible there.
Yes.
But you should do it on the left. Also for the left, we're going to do a stretch that's called the sleeper stretch. So if you've ever seen somebody like choke someone out, they call that the sleeper hold. So we're going to be doing the same thing, but on your shoulder. So with this sleeper stretch, what you're going to do is make sure there's no weight on your shoulder.
Oh.
So you're going to want to slide down so that your shoulder's not on that piece, but you want like a little neck support. So, you know, if you're doing this at home, you want a pillow. Let's bring this up. So you always want to get all the weight off that shoulder. You slide it forward. Then you're going to rotate. Now, where do you feel the stretch? In the front or the back?
In the back a little bit.
Excellent. So if you ever feel that this hurts in the front, this just isn't a stretch for you.
Okay.
So our goal is to get this down
here.
Exactly. You're going to want to push this down gently. You don't want to force this. And you want it to get down to the table. It should be able to go all the way down. Yep. Just hold it there. We want this whole process to take at least a minute. There's a more advanced way of doing it where, you're holding the stretch and then you're resisting up. But when you resist up, you don't want to lose the ground you've already gained. So this isn't too bad. You were able to get down to the table pretty quickly, which is a good sign. It didn't hurt?
It doesn't hurt at all.
So let's say you do this and it feels really tight. If you need to kind of trick it into going a little further. So let's just go ahead and try this. Go ahead and resist.
And now I feel the pain.
Now you feel the pain?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's right here.
Okay.
Yes. If I resist it, yes.
So let's not do that.
No. No.
Good. Let's just hold
See,
it.
now I feel it.
You do feel this?
Yeah.
The pain?
Yeah. Now I feel it.
But as long as it's in the back, totally fine. This is just going to release all this tissue. We're just working through those trigger points that are just on the underside of the trap. Good. All right, so that relaxed. So you're feeling it like right through here, right?
Oh, no, then now I loosen up.
It feels
Whatever
better?
you did, yes. Whatever you did here, now I don't feel more tensions here, and the pain here went away.
Thanks for watching my channel. Hit that subscribe button below if you would like some very simple, easy tips and tricks on how you can improve your posture. And if you have any questions that maybe you'd like me to make a video about, leave it in the comments below.